Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is chwith, left. Chwith, as in ar y chwith, on the left. Chwith, left.